Channel authentic personalities with historical echoes. First-person performers and the Institute for Teaching the Unique Historical Oral Art. We invite you to experience the future of history. Thank you for sharing an introduction for historical possibilities. Contact us for 1. Private contract performances, or 2. Student enrollment in the Institute at historical-echoes.com. That's historical-echoes.com. Or Dr. Irene Nielsen, Artistic Director at 785-493-5246. That's 785-493-5246. We serve anywhere in the lower 48 states.